Now what are these 24 elements? Can anyone say? If somebody asks you, what are these 24 elements? Yes, son. Stand up.
Beginning with the gross one, earth, air, fire, water, heat, then the subtle elements, mind, intelligence, and ego.
8. It comes to 8. Then
there's these senses.
10. 10 knowledge acquiring, 5 and working senses. Why? 10. So 8, 10, 18. Then sense objects. Just like I've got eye, but I have to see something. Dṛśya. So there are 5 sense objects, 18 and 5, 23. And mahat-tattva, the original stock of all material, in this way they are called 24 elements. So this whole creation, whatever material creation we have got, they are made of these 24, and it's like color. Varieties of color means 3 colors. Yellow, red and blue. Those who are expert in color mixing, they will mix these 3 colors into 81 colors. 3 into 3 equals 9, 9 into 9 equals 81. So, expert colorists, they can display these 3 colors into 81. Similarly, the material nature, of course, this is one energy. But within this energy, there are 3 qualities. Sattvagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. By interaction of these 3 qualities, the Mon, Buddhi, Ahankara, subtle elements are manufactured. And then from the subtle elements, the grosser elements are manufactured. Then they are objective. In this way, the creation is going on. But it requires so much time to create such huge cosmic manifestation. But God is so perfect. As soon as He desires, He says, let there be creation immediately. That is all. Thank you.